Hi brothers, for those of you who use the regular editor in Meeting Schedule Assistant, sometimes you want your printouts to have the columns in different orders. So for example, at the moment here in the editor we have all of the assignment columns, and when we do a print preview those assignment columns match. But let's just suppose that we would prefer to have the prayer right at the start, just as an example. Alright, so we close the print preview. We can do this, and to do it we click on the File menu, then click on Export Settings, and then on here we have the Columns button. Now if we click the Columns button we can do two things. To move the prayer we click on it, a single click, and then we can use the up arrow to move it up to where we want it. So I'll move it to just before the sound and I'll click OK. You notice it's moved here. This is a preview. Please understand that the editor will stay, it always stays the same. Those columns never change, but you can change the order that they'll print. What's the other change? Well, again, if we go to Export Settings, Columns, we'll move that one back down to the end. Imagine that we don't want the attendant to show this time round. Well, we can untick that option and we hit OK. Notice it disappeared. And again, it shows on the editor, but when we do a print preview, it's not there. So that's the procedure. Go to File menu, Export Settings, then click the Columns button, and you can move the columns up and down and show and hide them to your heart's content. Just remember to click OK and OK again for those changes to be implemented and saved with your file. Thank you, brothers.